Hello friends. I am Rajesh. Welcome to Everyday English. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said a sentence like, I was go to market, or I was played cricket, and later you realized something is wrong? Many learners get confused between past simple and past continuous. They don't know when to use was, when to use were, and how to use verb plus ing. Because of this confusion, they feel nervous while speaking English. But don't worry. In today's video, I will explain past continuous tense in very easy English. And we will do listening practice together. I promise you, if you watch this video till the end, your confusion will be clear. And you will start using past continuous confidently. So stay with me. Let's begin. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous is used to talk about an action that was happening in the past. Something that was in progress at a specific time in the past. Structure is very simple. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. I was eating. She was studying. They were playing. That's it. Listening practice part 1. Simple sentences. Now listen carefully. Yesterday at 8 p.m., I was watching TV. She was cooking dinner. They were playing football. We were talking about our school days. He was driving his car. The baby was sleeping. It was raining heavily. I was reading a book. She was waiting for the bus. We were learning English. Good. Listen and repeat in your mind. When do we use it? We use past continuous when something was happening in the past, and another action stopped it or happened during it. Example. I was sleeping when the phone rang. She was studying when her friend called. We were eating dinner when the lights went off. He was walking in the park when it started to rain. Here, the first action was continuing. The second action happened suddenly. Listening practice part 2. Story practice. Now listen to a short story. Listen carefully. Yesterday evening, I was sitting in my room. I was doing my homework. My mother was cooking in the kitchen. My father was watching the news. Suddenly, the electricity went off. We were feeling surprised. My sister was looking for candles. I was using my mobile flashlight. After 10 minutes, the electricity came back. We were feeling happy again. Very good. This is how past continuous works in real life. Common mistakes. Don't say, I was go to school. She was eat food. Always use, I was going to school. She was eating food. Remember, was verb plus ing. Quick practice, audience engagement. Now I want you to answer in comments. Complete this sentence. Yesterday at 9 p.m., I was. Write your answer in the comment section. C. Past continuous is not difficult. You just need was were plus verb plus ing. Now you can say I was studying. She was working. They were playing. If you practice daily listening like this, your English will improve automatically. And as I promised in the beginning, now your confusion about the past continuous should be clear. Keep practicing. Keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Bye.